We are pleased to show you the 2018 Flex. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, inside you'll find backup camera, Bluetooth, smart device integration, cross-traffic alert, trip computer, power adjustable pedals, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, cargo net, compass. Feel the rush of adrenaline as you accelerate into the future.